All right, let me show you some cool things you can do when you create a menu on Canva. Um, Once you log in, you're going to go to create a design over here on the left. And I'm going to type in menu because I'm looking for a menu design. And you can see that there are many options to choose from casual to fancy. So you can choose one that your group likes. And I'm going to choose one that's a little casual but fun. So I don't have that many menu options, so I'm going to choose one that doesn't have too many menu options. So I'm going to choose this one. Let me just show you a few things. One thing you can do, I can't really see what I'm looking at here, so notice in the bottom right I could make it a little bigger. I'm going to put it at 100% so I can see what I'm doing. There's all sorts of things you can do here. So anything you click on, so notice that when I clicked on this background image right here, a color pops up for the background color. So I can decide, ooh, I like blue, I'm going to change this to blue. If I click on an image, I can highlight that. And then I can actually go over here on the left-hand side and I can click on photos and I can search. So if mine is Mexican food, I might want an image that has Mexican food, and then I can go ahead and choose this image and add it where I'd want. Notice that it could be the background. Notice how it can be down here, but I can choose where I want it, and I can size it however big I'd like it. So I want my image to go here, and then I can choose to change the font and size. So once I change, I can decide over here that I'm going to make it 32, and I can decide what font I'd like over here. So you can play around with it and do many different things. Just keep in mind that you don't want to change too much of the formatting first before you start playing around too much with the colors and the design. You want to make sure that you have all your menu items in there, because that can be tricky to try to fit it all in there. So maybe I need to change all of the amounts and the menu items, and then I can go ahead and work on the design some more. If you are wanting to learn some more advanced features, over here on the bottom right is help, and if you click on that, there you can go to fun tutorials, and there's tips and tricks and guides to making engaging designs. So you can learn a lot more about different things you can do there. Have some fun and make sure that you save your project up here. So right now it's called, I want to change it to my name so I can find it easily. If I'm in a group, I might save it as Laura Hyatt. And I might save that it's a menu so that I can easily find it later when I'm trying to look for it. So make sure you save it with your first and last name. Enjoy. If you learn something new that you can do with this, we can set you up to teach others or teach a small group. So enjoy and have some fun.